to use. I'm going to use my hair conditioner. They put this one as a gift to the hair conditioner that I bought, so I'm going to use this one, the egg white. Okay. I prefer using the egg white because the yolk, it smells somehow, so I don't like the smell of the egg yolk when I put it on my hair. This is the olive oil we are going to add in it. This is the castor oil. So if you haven't watched the video on how you can make castor oil at home, please watch the video on how we make this castor oil. Honey and egg. I'm going to use the egg white. I'm not going to add egg yolk. So let's start. First, let me put this hair conditioner. And the next, we are going to add honey to it. Okay. um 1 teaspoon of this castor oil, and this olive oil. It's time to add the egg white. Okay, so this is the egg. I'm going to add only the egg white. It's okay now. Okay, so I didn't use the egg yolk. Let me add more oil. After mixing everything together, then I'll apply it on my hair. These are the things that we use. You can see the yolk inside. We use only the egg whites, castor oil, honey, and virgin olive oil. So guys, first I need to spray water on my hair. Okay, I've washed my hair. I need to spray more water before applying this on my hair. So as I started applying this DIY conditioner on my hair, my friends came in and we started talking, laughing. So as I continue showing you guys how I applied it on my hair. So I'm going to mute this place. I hope you enjoyed this video. Watch till the end and see how I applied this DIY on my hair. If you enjoyed this video, please hit on the like button, as this will also make YouTube to show this video to more people. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and put on your bell icon. I hope to see you on my next video. Relax and watch this video to the end. Thank you.